Hi everyone, we are here to present the demo of our capstone project INCERTUS. INCERTUS is an innovative placement prediction app that integrates machine learning with Android and web technologies to enhance job seekers' chances of securing the best job opportunities. So this is an emulator where I'll be showing my application. So that's INCERTUS, the ultimate placement companion, which loads us to the login screen. Now, being a new user, you first need to register yourself. So here I'll click on register. These are the mandatory fields that I need to fill in. I put random email address and the password in order to log in. And if I click on register, it asks me to enter my name, indicating that all these three fields are necessary in order to register. So here I'm welcomed at the home page. That gives me a brief about what is INCERTUS and what it does, and I get an option to get started. So this is the main page of the application, which presents the three main features of the app that are placement prediction, company-specific questions, and learning resources. These are presented using three fragments. The first, let's start with placement prediction. So here it uses machine learning and gives the output when the user enters simple details. Let's say I enter random details here. Suppose I choose male, age is 23. Suppose 10th percentage is 88, then 79. CGP is 7, internships is let's say 4, backlogs is 2, and I can choose my branch from here. Let's say computer science and engineering, or maybe electrical engineering. And when I click on predict, it gives me an option saying 50% that is eligible for regular offer. Let's say if I manipulate this data a little, suppose I give 0 backlogs and number of internships is 5. Then I get my chances are 69% and I'm eligible for regular offer. Now here on top, you see the profile icon. It displays my name and my placement chances and gives me an option to share my placement chances. Being an emulator, it has restricted applications, so I can share my placement chances with messages. I'll just type in number. Suppose that's a random number where I have to send a message. So it gives me a pre-written message with my placement chances and I can just share it. If used on an actual mobile device, on an actual virtual device, I can share it over different platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. Coming back to the app on its second feature, we go to company-specific questions. So here you can find your company's latest interview questions. So maybe if suppose I am willing to go to maybe Mercedes-Benz, so if I click on it, so here I can see I have plenty of tech interview questions. I also have HR interview questions. So I can prepare accordingly. And there are many companies listed out here, so I can choose the company I want and I can view their questions. Moving on, we have the learning resources. This has a lot of topics out here. Suppose CS concept. So I have some major CS core concepts listed here. Then there's also data structures. So there are plenty of data structures listed. Then there's aptitude. There are many aptitude topics, similarly popular languages. So the 4 main popular languages are listed here along with their nano degree certification and their notes. So in case I want a nano degree certification for Java, so I can just click on it and it takes me to a certification course online. Similarly, if I click on the notes, I can read about Java and some basic input-output structures and everything. Similarly, it's available for all of these. Then there's popular skills, and there are some in-demand skills listed here, and you can advance your career with them. So in short, this is the learning resources facility that is available at INCERTUS. There's also questions and prediction. So that is the INCERTUS app. Thank you.
Welcome to INCERTUS web application. Here we have three main options. We can click on any option. But before that we need to have an account. Let's register an account first. Let's assume a user email of sampleuser@sample.com and a sample password. After successful login, we get redirected to homepage where we can click on any feature we desire. Let's go with our main feature, placement prediction. Let's assume some sample values. Gender as male. Age as 21. 10th marks as 70. 12th marks as 70. Stream as information technology engineering. College GPA as 7. Number of internships as 1 and number of backlogs as 0. When we click on submit we get output as your placement chances are 63% and you should apply for regular companies. If you want to increase your chances of placement you can refer our learning page. On the learning page, we have 5 topics. Let's click on CS subjects. Here we have 4 subtopics. Similarly we have 11 subtopics in DSA topic. 5 subtopics in aptitude. 4 subtopics in popular languages. Also, option for nano degree certifications and option for read notes. 6 subtopics in popular skills. Let's select a topic to learn. Here we can see a site integrated in our application. This is called a frame. If the frame does not load, we can go to the original site. Let's click another topic. Popular languages have 2 options for each subtopic. If we click on any topic, we are redirected to another site. On nano degree certifications, we get redirected to a certification site. And on read notes we are redirected to a learning resource site. That was all about our learning page. Let's get to our company page. Here we have many companies that visit our VIT campus. If we click on a company, we see their previously asked interview round and HR round questions. Let's now see our user profile. Here we can change our password. Let's enter our current password and change it to something else. Our password is now successfully changed. Let's try a route that does not exist. It states Sarah 404 and asks if the page even exists. Coming back to the company page. We can easily add or remove companies by making changes to company.json file. It is a really easy format. You can even make an Excel file and convert it to JSON file using any online converter. The code will automatically add the companies in the company page. This can be done in learning pages too. Just add more details to JSON files of the respective topics. Let's log out now. Thank you for being with me on the tour of INCERTUS web application.